Video games achieve real-time graphics by swiftly generating and displaying images, known as frames, dozens of times per second, most commonly at 30 or 60 frames per second, FPS. This rapid process relies on a sequence of tightly integrated steps that work together to create the illusion of smooth, interactive motion. It all begins with the game engine, which determines what should appear on the screen based on player input, physics, artificial intelligence, and other gameplay mechanics. The engine arranges objects, lights, and the camera within a virtual 3D environment, setting the stage for what the player will see next. Next, the engine sends the positions and shapes of these objects, typically represented as collections of triangles or polygons, to the Graphics Processing Unit, GPU. The GPU then transforms these 3D coordinates into their 2D counterparts, mapping out where each object will appear on the flat surface of the screen through complex mathematical operations. Once the object's positions are established, the GPU moves on to rasterization, converting the 3D shapes into pixels, the tiny dots that make up the image. This step determines exactly which pixels correspond to which triangles, effectively translating the virtual world into a visible image. The process continues with shading and texturing, where the GPU calculates the color and brightness for each pixel. Shaders, specialized programs running on the GPU, simulate lighting, material properties, and visual effects such as shadows, reflections, or intricate surface details, bringing depth and realism to the scene. After the initial image is formed, post-processing effects are applied to enhance the visual quality. Techniques like motion blur, depth of field, bloom, and color correction add polish and cinematic flair to the frame. Finally, the completed frame is sent to the display, and the entire cycle repeats for the next frame. Thanks to the highly parallel nature of modern GPUs, all these steps happen in fractions of a second, allowing games to respond instantly to player actions and deliver a seamless, visually rich experience.